In programming, a string is a data type used to represent a sequence of characters, such as letters, digits, symbols, and spaces. Strings are typically used for storing and manipulating text-based data, making them an essential feature in most programming languages. To distinguish strings from other data types, they are written inside quotation marks, which act as delimiters to define where the string begins and ends. Depending on the language, single quotes, ta, or double quotes, was, are commonly used, and in some cases both are supported interchangeably. For instance, the string hello world or hello world represents a sequence of characters starting with H and ending with. The use of quotation marks ensures that the programming language interprets the enclosed content as a string rather than code or another type of data. For example, in a program, typing 5 without quotation marks might be interpreted as a numeric value, while typing sahala load or fabuth ensures it is treated as a string. This distinction is crucial when working with text data, as strings and numbers behave differently in operations. Some programming languages even allow triple quotes for multi-line strings, such as Python, where sohos can enclose strings spanning several lines, making them ideal for lengthy text or documentation within the code. Programs offer a wide variety of ways to manipulate strings, enabling developers to perform operations such as concatenation, slicing, formatting, and searching. String concatenation involves combining 2 or more strings into one. For instance, in Python, the +is operator allows the strings hello and world to be concatenated into hello world. This is particularly useful in applications that build dynamic text, such as generating messages or assembling user input. Some languages also provide specific functions for joining multiple strings using a delimiter, simplifying tasks like creating comma-separated lists. Slicing is another powerful feature that lets programmers extract specific portions of a string. By specifying the start and end positions within the string, a substring can be created. For example, given the string programming, slicing from position 0 to 6 would produce progra. This functionality is useful for tasks such as isolating file extensions from file names or extracting prefixes and suffixes. Many languages also allow negative indexing, where positions are counted from the end of the string, adding flexibility when working with variable length text. String manipulation also includes methods for formatting and adjusting content. Functions such as lower and upper convert strings to lowercase or uppercase, which is useful for standardizing user input or performing case-insensitive comparisons. Trimming functions like strip remove unnecessary whitespace from the beginning or end of a string, ensuring cleaner data handling. Additionally, string formatting features allow developers to insert variables or values into strings dynamically. For example, in Python, f-strings let you embed expressions directly within a string, such as f_hello_name, where the variable name is replaced with its value. Searching and replacing content within strings are also common operations. Functions like find or index help locate the position of a specific substring within a string, enabling tasks such as keyword searches or data validation. Similarly, replace functions substitute one substring with another, simplifying operations like correcting errors in user input or adapting text for different contexts. The ability to manipulate strings effectively is essential for programming tasks across a wide range of domains. In web development, strings are used for creating and processing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript content. In data analysis, they are vital for cleaning and parsing textual data. Strings also play a key role in user interfaces, where they are used to display messages, accept input, and provide feedback. In summary, strings, defined by quotation marks, are a fundamental data type used to handle text in programming. Their versatility is enhanced by a wide array of manipulation techniques, from concatenation and slicing to formatting and searching. These capabilities make strings indispensable for solving problems involving text, enabling developers to create robust and user-friendly applications.